Hi, I'm a Dr. Mohal Banker, intervention radiologist, and today in this talk I'm going to discuss about the new treatment for the heel pain. Heel pain is very common in our society, and particularly heel region is designed to take our entire body weight. But many times, due to excessive stress or overuse of the heel, the pain occurs into the heel region, and obesity, diabetes, flat foot, and non-supportive footwear, standing for a long time. These all are the causes which leads to the pain in heel region. Most common symptom of the patient is whenever a patient wake up in the morning and on her first step she feels tremendous pain into the heel region, and this pain gradually relieve by taking the rest. So these is typical symptoms of the plantar fasciitis when the patient develop the heel pain. So there are lots of treatment available for heel pain: stretching exercise, avoid barefoot walking, ice applications, painkiller like medicine, or injection of steroids or PRP within this heel region. Even though for a flat foot or like uh, in such condition we can uh, design of shoes according to the size and shape of the foot, physical therapy. But if all this non-surgical treatment fails, then what to do? What is the next option? So Dr. Yuji Okuno, he is a Japanese intervention radiologist, and he has first demonstrated this procedure. And what he has suggested that in heel pain, basically chronic inflammatory reaction is going on into the heel region, and whenever there is a chronic inflammatory reactions into the body has to provide inflammatory chemicals at the local site, and to provide that inflammatory chemicals, body will form new vessels. It's called neovascularization. If we target this neovascularization, if we close these newly formed vessels with the embolization, then the inflammatory markers will not able to release at the local site, and the inflammatory process stops, and that's why the pain is going to be reduced. So let's have a practical case study. So here there is a 76-year-old female patient, and she has a heel pain, tried everything from physical therapy to steroid injection, but nothing works. And here is angiography of the same patient, and you can see these are blood vessels which is supplying to the blood to heel region. So first we do the angiography and we try to find out which vessel is the culprit. In this angiography, over this region, you can see this tumor-like vascular bloods. There is a and these are region of chronic inflammation. These are the region of neovascularization, and we inject these small particles. We embolize these newly formed vessels, and once these newly formed vessels are closed down, the inflammatory markers are not able to release in this local site, and that's why pain is reduced. And this is a post embolization picture. You can see over here the normal vessels is intact, but the area over here of neovascularization is disappears, and patient pain is also reduces, and her quality of life also improves. In conclusion, plantar fascia embolization procedure is much safer, and it gives promising results. There is no cut, no suture, and this procedure is done under the local anesthesia. Patient can resume her day-to-day activity from within a few hours. So it is very safe. No any other complication is reported in this procedure. So thank you so much. If you have any queries, and do send me email, visit my website, and you will get lots of such kind of stuff, and you can go through it. Thank you so much.